Today's video, we are diving deep into all call forwarding solutions. Whether you are an individual who wants to forward calls to another device, we've got you covered. Call forwarding isn't just about sending calls from one phone to another. It's a versatile tool with numerous benefits, from its ability to allow you to listen to calls on other devices and so much more. Let me show you how to set up and enable call forwarding on your device. Now here's a disclaimer. This video is for educational purpose. Laws may exist in your country that do not allow or permit the use of such solution. Also, the information I'm providing in this video is not to be used for unlawful, unreasonable, or nefarious purposes. It is a severe violation of privacy and can cause significant emotional and psychological harm to the target. Use them at your own risk. I'm going to provide you with two different methods, so make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. With the first method, we are going to use a USSD code. For this method to work, you need to get access to the target device. So navigate to the phone dialer and dial *21* and enter your phone number here and hash. Then you continue to press send. So this will forward calls unconditionally to your device. And to cancel it, dial #21# and hit send again. Now unconditional call forward has been disabled. You can also dial *61* and enter your phone number again, then hash and hit send. So this is call forwarding when no reply. And to cancel it, dial #61# and hit send again. So now call forwarding when no reply has been disabled. You can also dial *62*, then enter your phone number again, hash and hit send. So this is a call forwarding when not reachable. And to cancel it, you dial #62# and hit send. Now call forwarding when not reachable has been disabled. And you can also dial *67* and enter your phone number again, hash and hit send. So this call forwarding when busy. And to cancel it, dial #67# and hit send. So call forwarding when busy has been disabled. In the event this one didn't work for you, on this interface, navigate to the top right corner where you see the three dots and tap it. Then you need to scroll down and click on settings. Among the bunch of options here, scroll down and locate supplementary services. Allow it a moment to load. Continue to tap on call forwarding. So you'll be prompted, this SIM card may use mobile data. Continue to click OK. Then make sure to select voice call. So these are the list of all call forwarding that we have. So we have always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, and finally forward when unreachable. So depending on the one that you want to select, you can proceed to select on it, then enter your phone number and proceed to click on enable. So this will make sure anytime a call comes onto this device, it will be forwarded on your mobile phone. In the event later you have a change of mind and you want to disable it, all you have to do is to navigate to this interface, then tap on it again and proceed to click on disable. Allow it a moment to load. So always forward has been disabled. So you can go through the other options and pick the one that best suits your situations. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.